Medu Vadas is a classic South Indian snack which is loved by all of us and also extremely easy to make at home. We will start off with taking 1 cup of urad dal which we have thoroughly washed and soaked in ample amounts of water for 4 to 5 hours. This soaking process is crucial as it softens the dal and makes it easier for grinding and yielding a fluffier batter. Grind the dal in a blender first without any water until you get a coarse paste. Then add a small amount of water and grind until you get a thick and smooth paste. Once you achieve the batter in your desired consistency, transfer into a large mixing bowl. Then, using your fingers, beat the batter vigorously. This process incorporates air into the batter which will make your vadas fluffy. To check if the batter is ready, add a drop of batter into a bowl of water. It should float like this. Next, we will add the flavorings in the batter starting with finely chopped ginger, chopped green chilies for some heat, chopped coconut slices, chopped curry leaves, a bit of hing and salt to taste. Gently fold these ingredients into the batter until they are mixed evenly. For shaping the vadas, wet your fingers with water to prevent the vadas from sticking. Take a small amount of batter and roll it into a ball. Create a hole in the center by using your thumb, forming the distinct donut-like shape of Medu Vadas. Now, very carefully drop the vadas in the hot oil like this. Fry the vadas in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Maintain a medium heat throughout the frying process. Turn the vadas occasionally to ensure that they are evenly golden brown on all sides. Once done, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil. Serve your Medu Vadas with a side of coconut chutney and coriander coconut chutney. The vadas may not look as uniform as you get in the shops, but they are extremely tasty and satisfying because you made it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!